Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. Now if you don't wish to receive any notifications from the Zenless Zone Zero game, then first of all long press on the game icon. You will then see the info button at the top. Go ahead and tap on it and you will end up within the application info page. Within this page, underneath privacy, you will see the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now, this will be turned on by default. If you wish to turn these back off and not receive any notification, just tap on the toggle where it says allow notification. Once the toggle is turned off, you will not receive any more notifications from the Zenless Zone Zero game. You can come back to this menu at any time if you wish to change your notification preference settings and turn it back on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.